Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we can use about sTheorem. So we need to find the range of cosine of 1 over s minus number 1, and that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Later that we multiply both sides by s minus 1 to the power of 2. Next, we put the limit for the both sides. So for this one, when s approach to number 1, so we put number 1 going here, and we have negative of number 1 minus number 1, and we have number 0. Similar for this one, and we have number 0. So we can see that on the left, on the right, you got number 0. So that means this one equals to number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.